Time now for your market recap, brought to you by MyMoneyJA.com, the official data partner of Money Media. Get 10% off your subscription with the code MONEYMISSION. The JSE Combined Index lost 3,900 points last week. That's 1%. 120 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, November 14, 2025. 45 made gains, 57 lost value, and 18 stayed the same. 89 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $409 million. Radio Jamaica was the week's most traded stock, with 15 million shares changing hands. TransJam traded the second highest, starting Monday at $4.27, and Atlantic Hardware rounded out last week's most traded stocks. Atlantic was also the week's biggest loser, down 22%, reversing some of the massive gains from the week before. It started November 17 at $1.13. Now let's see who had the biggest gains. Jetcon was the week's biggest gainer, up 17.5%. It started Monday at $1.41. Pulse was up 17% to start the new week at $1.18. And Paramount Trading started Monday at $1.36, up 13%. On the losing side now, Jamaica Broilers was the week's second biggest loser after Atlantic Hardware. The company reported huge losses, sending the stock down 21% to start the new week at $18.45. And MPC Caribbean Clean Energy lost 18%. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index lost 8 points last week. That's about 1%. Massey was the TTSE's most traded stock. It opened Monday at $3.43 TT. NCBFG was the TTSE's top gainer, up 5%. And on the losing side, Angostura fell 11% to open Monday at $11.31 TT. Over in the U.S., the Dow Jones was mostly flat last week, while the S&P 500 dipped 1% and the Nasdaq fell 2%. At the pumps, gas and diesel prices were all up $1 last week. In foreign exchange trading, it took an average $161.62 Jamaican to purchase $1 US last Friday. That's 33 cents more than the week before. The Bank of Jamaica has pumped $120 million US into the market since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. $1 Canadian cost an average $118.05 Jamaican. $1 British pound cost $213.16 Jamaican. And you could buy €1 for $188.71 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices fell 6% last week, trading at $95,740 on Monday. Meanwhile, Ethereum prices were down almost 7%, trading at $3,199 on Monday. Market Recap was brought to you by MyMoneyJA, the official data partner of Money Media.